Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Visual Studio Code, the error code 9009 typically indicates that the command being executed in the terminal is not recognized or cannot be found. This error can occur when trying to run a command that is not installed or when there is an issue with the system path variable. To resolve the code 9009 error in VS Code, you can try the following steps. 1. Check the command being executed and ensure it is spelled correctly. 2. Verify that the required program or tool is installed on your system. 3. Check the system path variable to ensure it includes the directory where the command is located. 4. Restart Visual Studio Code after making any changes to the path variable. Here is an example code snippet that may trigger the 9009 error in VS Code. If you run the above code in VS Code, you may encounter the error code 9009 if the non-existent command is not recognized. To prevent this error, ensure that the command being executed in the os.system function exists on your system, or provide the full path to the command if necessary. By following the steps mentioned above and ensuring that the commands being executed are valid and accessible, you can troubleshoot and resolve the code 9009 error in Visual Studio Code.